In today's video, we shall focus on timber piles in pile foundation and its advantages and disadvantages. In general, on the basis of materials used for construction of pile, the piles are classified into timber piles, concrete piles, steel piles, and composite piles. In this video, we shall focus on timber piles. Timber piles are the oldest of all the contemporarily used piles. Timber piles are generally made in circular shape of diameter, vary from 20 centimeters to 50 centimeters. Rarely, rectangular or square piles are made of suitable size based on design requirements. The length of the timber piles is generally 20 times of the top, width, or diameter of the pile. The bottom of the pile is sharpened and fitted with an iron shoe and a cap at the top. These piles usually designed to carry load of about 15 to 20 tons. The additional strength can be obtained by bolting fish plates to the side of the piles. The nominal lifespan of timber pile foundation is around 30 years. They are usually precast displacement piles installed with the driving method, or less commonly, using the vibratory method. Timber piles are most suitable for long cohesion piling and piling under embankments. These piles are generally placed below the permanent water table, otherwise, they decay due to fungi and insects. Let us now see advantages of timber piles. Timber piles are easy to handle and install. If necessary, it is easy to uninstall a timber pile. These piles are cheap and economical in places where timbers are available easily. Timber piles are easily available in regular size and can be cut off at any desired length after they are installed. Timber being a resilient material, timber piles are suitable for impact absorption. As timber is an elastic material, it can be used in places where there is a possibility of side friction. Next, we shall see the disadvantages of timber piles. Timber piles have low bearing capacity compared to other pile material. Piles of longer lengths are not always available. Timber piles can be affected by insects, salt water, etc. Timber piles are prone to damage by hard driving. Timber piles cannot be driven through hard stratum or boulders. Timber piles are difficult to place in hard ground surface and are not suitable for filled soil. We shall focus on concrete piles in detail in our next topic. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. The best is yet to come. Kindly do like, share, comment your views, and finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.